Hello and welcome back to another episode. Today I want us to talk about an asteroid known as Apophis. Remember, asteroids are rocky metallic remnants of materials left from the formation of the solar system and were left orbiting around the sun. In 19th June 2004, an astronomer Roy Tucker and two of his colleagues, David and Fabrizio, discovered a 370 meters asteroid coming on our way. They observed a bright light which was moving faster than the background stars, which was later named Apophis after the Egyptian god of destruction. Apophis is 370 meters in diameter and it originates from the Aten group of asteroids. Through NASA observation using Atlas system, scientists concluded that Apophis will have no impact on planet Earth for the next 100 years. Remember, Apophis is 370 meters in diameter, therefore it cannot burn completely in the atmosphere as shooting star. In 2029, Apophis is going to enter Earth's gravitational keyhole about 31,000 kilometers above the ground and deflected a bit towards Earth and then continue with its orbit around the sun, and its second encounter is in 2036. In case of a collision, Apophis will have the energy equivalence of 1,150 megatons of TNT, and in case it hits the oceans, it's going to cause great tsunamis which are going to wipe out all the cities along the continental coastlines. And in case it hits the ground, one may wonder how it's going to affect the rest of the planet apart from the point it hits. What happens is that the impact causes a lot of dust particles in the atmosphere, blocking sunlight from reaching the Earth's surface, therefore changing the climate. And this affects farming, which may result to great famine as there will be no sunlight for plants to make their own food through photosynthesis, and all the animals including human beings will not get food and can starve to death. The dust cloud covering planet Earth may last for years if not months, and this can lead to extinction of many species as it happened in the days of dinosaurs. But in case of a collision, scientists have three methods to deal with Apophis. The first method is to hit it with a spacecraft where the momentum of the spacecraft might change its trajectory. The second method is to use spacecraft gravity to change the trajectory of Apophis by flying for a long time around it. The interaction of Apophis gravity and that of the spacecraft might also change the trajectory of Apophis. The third method is to use a nuclear blast near Apophis to change its trajectory. This has to be done carefully to avoid breaking Apophis into more pieces, which can be hazardous and more difficult to deal with. In conclusion, I think we should not mark Apophis as safe until we see how much change in its trajectory Earth's gravitational pull is going to cause in 2029. Thank you, and continue supporting the channel by subscription and shares.